the role of monetary policy and the central bank's mandate were on the agenda of South Africa's Reserve Bank annual report for 2011-2012 financial year. However, in light of recent reports regarding the Libor rate fixing scandal that rocked the UK financial markets, the South African regulator environment was brought to the fore. Tumisho Maganyele reports on this.
The Libor rate fixing scandal, which continues to shadow Barclays Bank and the Central Bank of England, has raised concerns within South Africa's very own regulatory framework. The benchmark rate plays a key role in the global markets and affects what banks, businesses and individuals pay to borrow. The Libor is the flagship London instrument that is used widely across the world, while the Euribor is the Eurozone equivalent.
You might have Libor in dollars and Libor in pounds and so forth. They are different rates, but they all refer to trading of in the interbank market.
The closest comparison South Africa has to the Libor is the JIBAR. However, there are key differences that should be highlighted.
The critical difference around the JIBAR and this one, whereas the other one is more of an indicative rate and an estimate what people would be charged. The rate that the banks here submit to the JSE for the calculation of JIBAR is a rate at which they must be prepared to trade.
But the question on everyone's lips is what measures has South Africa put in place to ensure that the fixing of the JIBAR is devoid of any fraud?
We had, independent of what is going on in the UK, a while ago under the auspices of the Financial Markets Liaison Group, which is a group that comprises members of the Reserve Bank and key participants in the money markets, which meets regularly to look at financial market developments and how we can improve the functioning of a money market, FX market, derivatives market, bond markets in particular. As part of the work of that group, its ongoing work plan, not as a result of having had certain suspicions.
As the story continues to unfold, it is reassuring to both consumers and businesses to know that increased strengthening and transparency in policy formulation is among the key targets of the Reserve Bank. Tumisho, Maganyele, Johannesburg.